Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about solid figures. Okay? See here from your workbook, page number 6. Choose the correct answer, beta. From your workbook, choose the correct answer. See here, which of the following is not used to describe a solid shape? A corner, B face, C edge, D angle. C D angle. D angle. Now, so first one D. Second one, which two solid figures have the same number of faces, edges and corners? Very simple. See here, cube and cuboids. A, cone and cylinder. B, sphere and cone. C, cone and circle. D, cube and cuboids. Answer is cube and cuboid. D. Next, third one, a tree trunk closely reflects the shape of dash. A, cone. B, cylinder. C, sphere. D, cube. So, trunk means tree trunk, like this only, no? So, cylinder in shape. You can write here B, cylinder. Next, fourth one. Which solid figure has no edges and no corners? A, cube. B, cylinder. C, cuboid. D, sphere. Sphere, there is no edges and there is no corners. Now, which of the following 3D figures have curved surfaces and no vertices? A, cone and cuboid. D, cylinder and cube. C, sphere and cone. D, cylinder and sphere. Cylinder and sphere. D is the correct answer. Now next, page number 7. Count the number of faces, edges and corners for each object. First one is gift article is in the shape of cuboids. See here in a cuboid, number of faces, how many? 6. Number of edges, how many? 12. Number of corners, how many? 8. Next one, laddu. So in the shape of sphere. Number of faces, 1, curved face. Next, number of edges, 0. Number of corners also 0. There is no corners, there is no edges, only one face, that is curved surface. Now next, this is cone. See here, number of faces 1. Number of edges 0, nothing. Next, number of corners 1. Corner means here vertex. This is corner or vertex. Now next, cookies. See, this is in the shape of a cuboid. Number of faces 6. Number of edges 12. Number of corners 8. Now last one, tin, cylinder. Tin is in the shape of cylinder. See here, number of faces 3, top, bottom and curved, 3 faces. Next, number of edges 0, nothing. Number of corners 0, nothing. So write down everybody. Now next, page number 8. See here, match the similar shaped object. This is and this is in the shape of cone. These two. Next, this is and this is in the shape of cylinder. Match it. Next, this is in the match shape of sphere. Next, this is in the shape of cuboid. Now this is in the shape of cube. So everybody match like that only. Now next, page number 9. Identify and name the type of view of each picture. See, this is front view. This is side view. This is top view. Now, turtle, this is side view. This is top view and this is front view. Next, camera, this is top view, this is side view and this is front view. Aeroplane, this is front view, this is top view and this is side view. So chair, this is side view. Sofa, this is front view and this is sofa, top view. See here, front view, side view, top view. Next, side view, top view, front view. Next, top view, side view, front view. Next, front view, top view, side view. Next, side view, front view and top view. Now next, page number 10. Numbers. Now beta next, numbers. Page number 10. Complete the series in each row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. See here, first row, second one 105. See here, complete this row first. 105 before 104. 105 after 106, after 107, after 108, after 109. 109 after 110. 110 after 111. 111 after 112. 112 after 130. See here, 188 before 187, 187 before 186. Next, 188 after 189. 189 after 190. 190 after 191. 191 after 192. 192 after 193, already given. Next, 193 after 194. 194 after 195. See here, 469 after 470. 470 after 471. 471 after 472. 472 after 473. 473 after 474, already given in the box. Next, 474 after 475. 475 after 476. 476 after 477. 477 after 478. See here. 934 before number is 933. So 934 after 935. 935 after 936. 936 after 937 already given. Next 937 after 938. 938 after 939. 939 after 940. 940 after 941. 941 after 942. Six hundred and eight after 609. 609 after 610. 610 after 611. 611 after 612. 612 after 613. 613 after 614. 614 after 615. 615 after 616. 616 after 617 already given. See here. 360 before number is 359. 359 before number is 358. 358 before number is 357. Next 360 after number is 361. 361 after 362. 362 after number is 363. 363 after number is 364. 364 after 365 already given in the box. Next 365 after 366. See here. Eight hundred and 21 after 822. 822 after 823. 823 after 824. 824 after 825. 825 after 826. 826 after 827 already given in the box. Next 827 after 828. 828 after 829. 829 after 830. Now next fill in the blanks. here the number that comes after 197 is 197 after 198. Second one, the number that comes before 876 is 875. Next, the number that comes between 289 and 291 is 290. Fourth one, a number with, see here, 5 in hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. 5 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place, 6 in ones place. The given number is 536. Now fifth one, a number with zero is in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. 0, 17 means 17. Fifth one, 17. Sixth one, a number with nothing in hundreds place. Nothing means 0. 0 hundreds place lo em undadu. A number with nothing in hundreds place, 9 in tens place, nothing in ones place means nothing means 0. Here 0, 90 means 90. Seventh one, a number with 8 in hundreds. Hundreds, tens and ones. What is that? 888. Next, a number with 0 hundreds, tens and ones place. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 means answer is 0. Next, shows the correct answer of the following. Next, choose the correct answer of the following. 876 in its numerical form is A 867, B 876, C 678, D 768. So B is the correct answer. See, first one is B. Now second one, which statement about the number 666 means 666 is true? A, the place value of 6 in the tens place 60, the place value of 6 in the hundreds place 60, the place value of 6 in the tens place is 600, the place value of 6 in the ones place 60. In it, which is correct statement? The place value of 6 in the tens place is 60. A is correct. Next, third one. In which empty box would the number 167 make the comparison is true? See here. A 174 dash 174 greater than dash greater than 169. B 164 less than dash less than 168. 180 greater than dash greater than 170. D 165 less than dash less than 167. In it, option B is correct. What is that? 164 greater less than 167 less than 168. Now third one completed. Third one. Next fourth. Which number has 4 in tens and hundreds place? See here. 424, 244, 462, 442. So tens place and ones place. Sorry, tens place and hundreds place in 4 means 442. D. Fifth one. Which of the following is same as 824? A. 842. B. 284. C. 824. D. 482. C is correct answer. 824. Sixth one. What does 3 represent in the number 305? The place value of 3 is 300. A 3, B 30, C 300, D 3000. C. Because 3 is in 100 space, the place value of 3 is 300. Next, seventh one. Sophia has 527 C cells. Gawal. 527 C cells. In her collection, which of these equal? So you can write this is expanded form, means 500 plus 20 plus 7. Which is correct in it? C. Next, eighth one. Which of the following number is 6 more than 106? 6 more than 106 means 106 plus 6. 6 is added to 106, you can get 112. So option D is correct. D. See here, listen. Write the place value chart for the following numbers. This is also very easy, beta. See here, 5623. How many places are there here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You can write like that only. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, listen carefully. See, 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place. That's it. Next, 1478. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See, 8 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. Next, 6951. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here. 1 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place. Next, 7829. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here. 9 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place. Next 1547. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. Next 3672. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 2 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place. Next 5034. See, 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place. Like that only you can do. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct values. See, first one 2347. See, this is TH, thousands place. This is hundreds place. This is tens place. This is ones place. See here, expanded form. 2 is in thousands place, then the face value of 2 is 2000. 3 is in hundreds place, then the face value of 3 is 300. Plus 4 is in tens place, 4 tens 40, 7 ones are 7. Next 4628. Thousands, hundreds, tens plus ones. See here, 4 is in thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 4 is in thousands place means 4000. 6 is in hundreds place, the face value of 6 is 600. 2 is in tens place, 2 tens 20, 8 ones 8. Thousands plus, hundreds plus, tens plus, ones. See here, 1 is in thousands place, then the face value of 1 is 1000. Next 0 is in hundreds place, the face value of 0 is 0, whatever place it may be. Next 9 is in tens place, 9 tens 90. 6 is in ones place, 6 ones 6. Next 9605. Thousands plus, hundreds plus, 3 for tens, 4 for ones. See here. 9 is in thousands place, then the face value of 9 is 9000. 6 is hundred space, the face value of 6 is 600. 0 tens means 0. 5 ones means 5. Thank you everybody.